Hi, welcome to Bytebase feature intro. This video is about data access control. It's available in Enterprise Plan. Data access control restricts how the Workspace Developer query and export data. Workspace Owner or DBA are exempt from these restrictions. Log in as DBA, go to SQL Editor. You can query from any databases connected with Bytebase, by default. Log in as developer, and this developer has to be added into a project to proceed. Go to SQL Editor. It's blank. Although we have two databases in this project, the developer can't access any by default. In practice, developers can access development databases without restrictions, but they need to obtain permission to access production databases. Let's implement this same policy in our simulation. Log in as DBA again, go to Data Access Control, check Skip Approval for query data on test environment. Updated. Log in as developer, go to the SQL Editor again. Now you may see the database in the test environment, and also be able to query from it. Switch to the Database tab under the project. You can see Database in Test Environment is clickable, while Database in Prod is disabled. Within the project, click Request Query. You can either choose all databases within the project, or pick specific tables. Here we take the table employee in Database Employee for example. Click OK. A request query issue is created, and an approval flow is matched. You may refer to Custom Approval and its intro video for details. Switch users to approval till the issue is done. Switch back to Developer, click SQL Editor. Now you can see and query the table employee under Prod environment. If you query from another table, it will say permission denied. You need to request query in the same way. Switch back to DBA, go to Members within the project, click the pen icon. You can edit the role, delete it, or grant it directly to a user without receiving a request. Switch back to Developer and go to SQL Editor. Export data is similar to query data. The only difference is that after approval, you need to go to the Export Center to download within the valid date. Let's review the process. By default, developer can't query data. Step 1, with configuration by DBA, developer can skip approvals to query data in an environment. Step 2, developer can request to query data, either from all databases within a project or just any specific table. Step 3, DBA can edit, delete, or grant query a role directly. In this way, developer can query data. Export data is similar to query data. Give it a try.